The greatest duty given by Congress to the Office of Surface Mining, Reclamation, and Enforcement is to oversee the reclamation of the land from a time when no federal agency held authority over coal mining. In the 34 years since the passage of the Surface Mining Control and Reclamation Act, OSM has discovered thousands of mine sites that require extensive work to prevent further environmental damage and to protect human health and safety. Under the Surface Mining Act, OSM sets the standards for reclaiming abandoned mines, but it is up to the Bureau's state and tribal partners to carry out this important work. Tonight, OSM honors those responsible for the most outstanding achievements to eliminate public health, safety, and environmental hazards from past coal mining. Welcome to the 2011 Abandoned Mine Land Reclamation Awards. The project chosen for the Mid-Continent Regional Award overcame a series of challenges many projects never encounter. Just a tenth of a mile from a town, the 80-acre site was surface mined in the 1960s after starting production as an underground mine much earlier. The project suffered from active erosion, nearly a mile of sediment-clogged streams, and 13 polluted ponds filled with highly acidic water. The site also had 2,600 feet of dangerous high walls and about 10 acres of industrial and residential waste, including abandoned cars and trucks, household debris, even a school bus. There were legal challenges as well. The site was divided among 5 private landowners, 2 of whom had rented their land to farmers growing crops near the polluted area. A high-voltage power line also bisected the site, in some cases just 20 feet from a dangerous high wall. 2 other aspects of the site required specific attention throughout the project. Part of the project site was determined to be jurisdictional wetlands under the Clean Water Act, requiring mitigation according to the U.S. Army Corps of Engineer protocols. While reclaiming the site, project managers discovered the area was habitat for the Indiana bat, an endangered species. Finally, the preliminary cost estimate indicated the Iowa AML program did not have enough funding to handle the reclamation in one contract. Fortunately, dividing the contracts yielded a strong remediation plan. By building 2 treatment ponds and not crossing ownership lines, the state minimized the overall cost while also increasing the wetland mitigation benefits. An innovative design between the 2 ponds also allowed owners access to their land while also controlling peak runoffs and minimizing downstream flooding. Project managers adjusted the limits of the project boundary to save many of the key habitat trees along the project's periphery. Key trees were marked in the field during construction, and project limits were further adjusted to save all possible habitat. Project managers say one of the best outcomes of the project is the formation of community partnerships that grew out of the challenges. To keep the public and the partnership informed of the reclamation process, the state held 3 different events in 2008, 2009, and 2010. For neutralizing acid soil and water, stabilizing soil to greatly reduce erosion, mitigating the adverse effects above and beyond what the Clean Water Act requires, and eliminating hazards to human health and safety and the environment, the 2011 Mid-Continent Regional Award goes to the Westercamp AML Reclamation Project from the city of Beacon, Mahaska County, Iowa.